Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Bulgari City 0. I'm joined by Uchina.
Stibu Njaya.
Yeah.
In the league, all I want to say for now, this is one of the best seasons we have ever had in South Africa. Whoever takes the league, congratulations as Kaizer Chiefs supporters, as South African football supporters. At this point, as things stands, we can't say Ngubano Tate League. Looking at the fixture, Mamelodi Sundowns is playing a very slow football. Kaizer Chiefs can manage that football of Mamelodi Sundowns. Kaizer Chiefs struggle too much when you are playing a faster football or running football. So looking at how Sundowns is playing today, definitely that Kaizer Chiefs can manage them. So that's why I'm saying that league is still open. And another thing, you look at Wedlere is doing so well. There's a lot in the upcoming fixtures. Look at it, Durban City, how they played yesterday. They are still excited after winning Nedbank. They will be facing the Orlando Pirates. So it's not going to be an easy game for Orlando Pirates. The Orlando Pirates, there are two difficult games for them. Ile game is Stellenbosch, ile game is Welele. The Orbit College doesn't even have a field. It's clear that the Pirates will get 3 points there. And then Imakes is facing relegation. It's going to be difficult, but Imakes only performs Nedbank, Calvin Black Bell because of the prize. So they perform Guma Cup because of the prize. So when it comes to league, they are always not their best. So now we can't say that Sundowns is Hambile that much. Yes, we might joke with Bayern and stuff, but how somehow looking at the real football of South African football, whatever that is happening now, siyazibona zikhona izinto engifuna ukubuyela kuzo nakuma-fans webhola. I wish I wish our fans were to follow us. Can not only look at lama clip mancane, ama highlights. Look at the actual content on YouTube. Because of kunezinto esizikhuluma yezisile basithukela into engekho. Because of sikhulume into ethile enjani. Siyadlala phela nabo. Siyadlala namabhakaniya. Siyadlala nabo masithi. Nje content yama fans wethu baza select highlight. But sibe sikhulume into esile ku YouTube. So all I can say is that Pirates Pirates will be punished maybe Galama 2 games while you will see where Stellenbosch nala game at Durban City. And then as for Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs ngayibambi Sundowns. And then another thing is Welele ngayibambi Sundowns. So for now, another thing yokugcina nje eyodwa coach Bros uthi Lodge is on a good form. But uzokhipha abani for Lodge. I think Umshishi now, it's clear that Umshishi He has done everything for South African. Uyenzile was toleni bronze with AFCON, but now Umshishi inya wasavumi. After la injury yakhe Umshishi akaphindanga wabuya. Umshishi is the best player we ever had in South Africa, one of the best players. So kwi era yakhe Umshishi he's the best, but now Umshishi noba ngasala for Lodge World Cup. Akagayibanye chance. Siyabonga bafethu. Umdlalo omuhle uqhubeka.
Thank you China man. Yeah, shaba.